Struisbaai for this weekend. We are going to do a little bit of a coast trip, and now we're going through to Brandfontein. It's me, Sam, Roland from My Life in Africa, and it's Nicky from Terrain Tamer. We are off to do a little coast trip, and then yeah, we'll see how this day goes. We're going to sleep at Brandfontein tonight, set up camp there, and do a little bit of 4x4 dune driving, everything. So I think it's going to be a hell of a weekend. Lekker! That was the southernmost tip of Africa. It's also the place where the Indian Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean meet. And yeah, now we're off to Brandfontein. Go and show these guys from Cape Town our dunes is here. So yeah. Okay, so we just made a pit stop here at this basically an old haunted salt factory, and yeah, we just checked it out a bit, and now we are on our way to Brandfontein. We're at Brandfontein now, and we're going to take those guys in here to the dunes, and we'll set up camp later on here inside. Quickly buying a horse, and then we're going to drive a bit around still later on, and then we'll set up camp here somewhere in the dunes. with us, and me and Roland is on our way to Arniston, and we are going to check out the caves quickly, and then we'll see where we are going to camp next. We didn't make any plans, so that's lekker. So it's either, I don't know, I really don't know where we're going to camp, so we'll decide later on. We're at Arniston Beach now, at the cave. Quickly going to show Roland the cave quickly, as if we can come in, because I think it's a bit high tide, so we'll see how it is there. So we came across a guy that's got stuck here on the beach. We are just going to help him quickly. Now this is a bad bog, this one. Okay, so Roland is going to try and snatch him here. Let's see what happens. So we thought about camping in Arniston, but after our expedition with the Ford bucky on the beach, we left it. We said no. So me and Roland, we are going to head to my house in Brandfontein, and we are going to sleep there tonight, and we are going to call it quits, because this wind and rain, it caught up to us.
Ever. We're not camping tonight. It's raining, it's cold. We spent the last 3 hours pulling out yet another Ford. Now we're gonna go have a braai, some meat, and a warm night's sleep.